Welcome to my access control system demonstration. This system can unlock my gate by entering a keypad combination, presenting an RFID tag, or remotely via my phone or PC. Although it appears simple, it performs complex tasks in the background to ensure seamless integration with my home automation software and offline functionality when there is no server connection. It can also grant or deny access based on the current time and preset schedules for each user. Let's take a look at the hardware we are working with. Here, we have the RFID reader combined with the keypad, which sends its data using the weekend protocol. We can control the LED and buzzer on the keypad by grounding these additional cables. This is a magnet and reed switch, which detects whether the gate is open or closed. This 12-volt door strike unlocks the door when powered through this relay. And finally, the brains of the operation, the ESP8266, handles all inputs and outputs and communicates via Wi-Fi. The ESP8266 has a local file system that stores a JSON file with all user credentials. Additionally, a connected button can be used as a doorbell. Now, let's see how everything works. Upon booting up, the ESP8266 connects to Wi-Fi, an MQTT broker, and retrieves the current time from the network. It then loads a JSON file from its internal file system containing user credentials, including key combinations and RFID tag UIDs. Users can also have access time set within the JSON file. When the system is ready, it waits for data from the keypad. Upon receiving a key combination or RFID tag UID, it checks the JSON file for matching credentials. If found, it verifies the current time against the user's access times. If the time is within the allowed interval, access is granted. It also sends MQTT messages with the user's details for tracking and logging purposes. Throughout the process, the system uses the keypad's LED and buzzer to provide audiovisual feedback. The JSON file can be updated using MQTT commands. The send-auth command sends the file's content for editing, and the replace auth updates the file with the received data. The gate can also be opened remotely using an MQTT command. When the reed switch changes state, an MQTT message is sent to indicate whether the door is open or closed. Pressing the doorbell also sends an MQTT message, which can trigger a phone notification. One key reason for storing the authentication file locally is to ensure offline functionality during Wi-Fi, Internet, or MQTT broker issues. In fallback mode, if the current time was updated before disconnection, the system operates normally only without the MQTT features. However, if the current time wasn't updated, access is granted only to users without start or end time set. This ensures the system doesn't mistakenly grant access to users who should not have access yet or should no longer have access while still allowing functionality for permanent users. Thank you for watching. I hope this demonstration has given you a clear understanding of how my access control system works.